Every great structure starts with a solid foundation, and for us, it begins with the finest raw materials. The diamond saw blade, a symbol of strength and precision, is crafted from the perfect fusion of diamond and metal alloys.
Preview.
Carefully selected raw materials are blended in precise proportions to ensure that every tiny diamond particle is tightly bonded with the alloy. This process is not just manufacturing, it's a harmony of science and artistry. Approximately 10 to 20 grams of raw material is placed into the mold, where a massive force of 10 to 30 tons compresses it into sharp, robust cutting tips. Each cutting tip, though small, carries incredible strength, ready to take on the toughest concrete challenges. Next, we move into the most critical phase, where the technology's secrets are safeguarded. Each cutting tip is meticulously arranged in a special heating mold. The shape and pattern of the arrangement, it's a trade secret, the key to our product's unmatched performance. The mold is securely fastened to ensure that no part is misaligned. Then the entire mold is placed into the furnace, where extreme pressure and temperatures exceeding 500 degrees Celsius transform the raw materials into a solid, durable form. This is where raw materials are reborn as industrial-grade diamond, tough, sharp, and ready to push the limits. To us, perfection is not just within, it shines through in every tiny detail. After sintering, the cutting tips are polished to remove any remaining impurities. Within just 3 minutes, the surface becomes smooth and refined, preparing them for the next finishing steps. Next, a fine layer of sand is applied, and the tips are polished again under high pressure. This process not only enhances durability, but also gives the cutting tips a flawless, gleaming surface, elevating the quality of the product. This is the final step in creating a complete diamond saw blade, the seamless fusion of sharp cutting tips and a robust blade core. The blade core, also known as the base plate, is securely positioned on a laser welding machine. Each cutting tip is firmly attached to the core with precise laser beams. This technology ensures superior durability and an unbreakable bond between components. These laser welds resemble crocodile scales, tough, resilient, and impossible to break apart. Before reaching our customers, every saw blade undergoes rigorous testing. Sharpness, strength, and durability are meticulously evaluated. We accept nothing less than perfection, because only excellence is worthy of our name. And now these diamond saw blades are ready to make their mark on the world, delivering unparalleled cutting speed, long-lasting durability, and the power to conquer any challenge. They are not just tools, they are reliable companions for every construction masterpiece.